All right, it is about time that I film this fan before I take it down, because my plan is to put the Navajo, pastel Navajo, up here. But what you see here is a Casablanca Zephyr ceiling fan. This fan's from 1986. Um, and yeah, this fan has 5 blades. The 5th blade is over here. It's an antique brass. I am also planning to get this fan fixed as well. This does make a weird noise if it's spinned too fast. I think it will make sense once I start demonstrating it. But this fan is very stiff as well. Bearings, I don't know what's wrong with the bearings, but that's not a good sign. It's definitely not a good sign. I might send this to Aiden or have him tell me what to do to replace the bearings, because that's what I'm most likely going to do on this fan. I want to do it myself. So yeah, got this on Facebook Marketplace for about 50 bucks. He said he only ran this on low and he never ran it anything else, and he also got rid of it because it had no light. But he did say he would only run this on low. He wouldn't have this on anything else. He would only run it for the winter, and that's that. So it's a W11 IntelliTouch system, and here's the fan tag right there. But this fan is very stiff, so I might have to give it a little bit of a push to start it. Just like that, it stalled. I have to give it a little bit of a push, maybe if it will start moving. Maybe? Oh no. This fan has a lot of troubleshoots. Maybe if it'll work on speed 2. Will it work on speed 2? I think so, maybe. No, it doesn't work on speed 2. These bearings are terrible. The blades are moving a little bit. I think if I give it a little bit of a push, I think that's when the blades will start moving. Maybe if I give it a little bit of a push. There we go. Is it spinning up? I hope so. This fan doesn't wobble either, so that's also good. It's just that this fan is worth so much, and I don't know if it's slowing down. It looks like it. This fan is dead silent, other than the noise you kind of hear. I would have this run all night, but I'm assuming this is the low that he had it ran on before he like got rid of it and stuff. It's a good low speed. It's an average fan low, or Casablanca low. But yeah, I do really love this blades on there too. Does complement the fan a lot. And I don't gotta do much to take it down either. It's kind of why I like putting up Casablancas too, because they're easy to take down. It's not like a hugger where I have to do so much just to take it down. But if I stop it, it's gonna be a struggle. It is kicking though. that's when it starts pumping up to speed. There we go. That noise you hear, I'm pretty sure it's from the bearings. There's something there that's like making it go wrong. And this fan blows air. But the intelligence system's up there, so I kind of have to adjust it as we go. This fan is super stiff though. If I slow it down, I know I shouldn't be doing this anyway, but this is the only way I get to have an IntelliTouch system that will cooperate. And as the speeds increase, the fan does get more louder, unfortunately. But he said he never ran this on high speed. He said he only ran it on low all the time. This is my first Casablanca that I need to work on. Is it wobbling? Not by much. It's a little bit wobble. But it's not bad. He did say there might be something wrong with it, and I'm assuming it's the bearings. So, fan still produces good air though. It's a good air mover. Can't wait to install the Pastel Navajo up here though. That I'm excited for. That's the noise. And I apologize for the noise, but you know, it's how the fan is. Luckily, this fan is in good shape enough to where it doesn't this is the last speed. This is the high speed of the Delta. After that, we could do a spin down. Poor bearings. It's like crying for help. As a Casablanca though, it still moves a lot of air. Once those bearings get fixed, this fan will be so much better. I'm gonna unplug it for a spin down. Feel bad for this fan, man. I don't know if you see that, but I think these blades are gloss blades as well too. Not sure, but it looks like it. See how quick this spins down? Yeah, this fan has a lot of problems. Has a lot of issues. I know I triggered a lot of you fan people when I had to stop the blades and did all that. I would have never done that if I had my own control system, but yeah, this is my Delta 2. That's, man, I need this to get fixed. So I didn't really want to put it up because I knew that it would have to be fixed, and a lot of people want it, but I'm not gonna sell a fan that doesn't really function well. So, but yeah, this is my Casablanca Zephyr from 1986, and yeah.